Hi there. Today I'm working to complete the disassembly of my Celestron CGX-L mount. I'm going to clean, inspect, polish, and re-grease everything. I've already disassembled the declination access, and in this video, I'll finish the teardown by removing the right ascension assembly. As I said in my last video, I have no idea what I'm doing, but with enough time, I figure I'll figure it out. So if you're following along with me, you're doing so at your own risk. For the most part, there's not going to be a lot of commentary in this video, as I've prepared this footage for a reference when putting everything back together again. I do have a few fails along the way, and I'm going to make sure to point them out. For my first fail of the day, I neglected to remember there are a total of 5 screws that need to be removed in order to get this control cover off. I previously had it off when I broke a power plug due to an unfortunate cord wrapping incident. Quick pause here so I remember how this goes back together, because frankly, I'm too lazy to label the cords. One more quick view. To future me, there are 2 pieces like this on the RA assembly, and only 1 on the deck. There is a total of 6 mounting holes. On RA, these pieces go to the outer holes. On the deck assembly, there is only 1 in the middle, and that acts as a lock to prevent the assembly from rotating all the way around freely. There is a threaded locking retaining nut thing that holds the assembly in the mount. I thought I might get lucky and make it move, but it's time to bring a flamethrower to this fight. While it's still warm, got to get that old thread locker cleaned off. It's probably evident to everybody but past me why this isn't coming out. I totally forgot to take off that orange brake lever. Remember when I said I have no idea what I'm doing? Yeah. So it isn't really necessary to take these screws out. They're all held in with red thread locker, and they're really going to give me all sorts of trouble. My advice to you would be to skip this. This one's being really difficult. I'm actually working a lot more slowly than it appears here. I've stopped, shut the camera off, thought about it, walked away, trying not to get frustrated. It's starting to round off. Oh, God. Oh, thank you. Now I gotta go find a new screw. Yep, just realized. These bearings feel pretty good. I could probably buy higher quality ones, but I think we're getting to the realm of diminishing returns. Now it's all apart. I have to put this back together again. There's a lot more work to do. All told, this took me about a half hour. Thanks for watching.